Hello children, how are you today? Hope you are all keeping well and safe inside the house. Now children, I am going to tell you a story about a small little dinosaur named Dinu. One day, Dinu the dinosaur went to meet her friends Daffy the deer and Dolly the dolphin. All the three friends were very happy to see each other. They spent some good time together. They also played with the doll. "Let us all dance and I will play the drum," said the dinosaur. So they all started dancing. After some time, they were very tired and they were feeling very hungry. So they ate donuts for dinner. They all loved eating the donut. "It's time for me to go back home. Bye friends, bye," said the dinosaur. All the three friends were very happy and they enjoyed a lot. Now children, in this story you have learned so many new words, and all these words begin with the same sound, and that sound is D. The sound is D. Let me tell you these words once more. D, doll. D, dinosaur. D, drum. D, deer. D, dolphin. D, donut. So children, let us see how do we trace D. First, we make a curve and a standing line. D. Again, curve and a standing line. D. So all these words begin with the sound D. Sound D. So hope you enjoyed the story children. Ma'am will come again. Till then, bye. Thank you.